Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Whether you want to refresh your look or personalize your profile, it's a simple process. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where all your chats are displayed. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your current profile picture, you'll see a small camera icon in the corner. Tap on this icon to access options for updating your profile picture. Now you'll have two choices. 1. Select Gallery if you want to choose an existing photo from your device. 2. Select Camera if you'd like to take a new picture right now. If you choose Gallery, browse through your photos and select the one you want to use. If you choose Camera, take a new photo and tap OK once you're satisfied with it. After selecting or capturing your photo, WhatsApp will allow you to adjust it. You can crop or align the image to fit perfectly within the frame. Once everything looks good, tap Done. Your new profile picture is now updated and visible to your contacts. And that's it. Changing your WhatsApp profile picture is quick and easy. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might need help updating their profile pictures too. Thanks for watching.